Thank you for joining me, Maya Mojo, and the Green Yoga Project for another delicious smoothie. We're going to start our smoothie today with delicious fresh pineapple, organic preferably, and also some ginger root through a juicer. I personally think it's the best to make your own sea moss from the dried sea moss. So you make your own gel. It's really simple and the directions are on the package, but we're gonna add that as well. So I started with the fresh pineapple and ginger, and I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of sea moss that I made from dried sea moss. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of your favorite extra virgin olive oil that has a lot of health benefits. I'm just gonna put about a tablespoon of that extra virgin olive oil. Yum. Often I'll juice the lemon with the pineapple and the ginger, but I forgot. So today we're just gonna add juice of a whole lemon and try to make sure you don't get the seeds in there if possible. Thanks. You could add a really ripe banana, but I like it to be a little bit cool. So I'm gonna add a whole frozen banana. And sometimes they really stick together. It's all blended. You gotta make sure that that frozen banana is all blended in there. Here it is, pineapple, ginger, lemon, sea moss, and olive oil. Give thanks. Cheers to better health. It's like liquid sunshine.